Hello everyone, today we will explore the Toshi app, now known as Coinbase Wallet, a self-custody crypto wallet, and Web3 browser. Toshi, org.toshi, allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, interact with decentralized apps, and manage NFTs. You install the app, create or import a wallet using your recovery phrase, and secure it with a password or biometric lock. The app gives you full control of your private keys, which are stored locally, so you stay owner of your funds. You can send crypto to any address or receive crypto by sharing your public address. The app supports Ethereum-based tokens, NFTs, and other chains compatible with Web3. You can also connect to DApps directly inside the app to trade, lend, play, or explore decentralized services. The wallet includes backup options, so if you lose your device, you can restore using your recovery phrase. Toshi also integrates a browser for decentralized apps, letting you explore new protocols without leaving the wallet. The benefits include full ownership of your assets, control of your keys, and direct access to decentralized finance features. The wallet is versatile for both casual and advanced crypto users. Risks include making mistakes with key seeds or networks. If you lose your recovery phrase, there is no company to reverse losses. You must verify addresses, avoid phishing, and use DApps carefully. Also, transaction fees and network congestion can affect your usage. To use the app safely, record your recovery phrase offline. Never share it. Double-check addresses before sending. Use small test transactions first, and stay updated on app updates and security news. Toshi, now Coinbase Wallet, is a powerful tool to explore Web3 securely. If you want a simplified beginner version or a script focusing on DApps or NFTs, tell me which one, and I'll prepare it for you.